Welcome back to Ramses Insight. This video will tell you about the healing properties of common herbs we come across in our daily life. Herbs add flavor to our meals and are also useful as medicine. Let us begin with the most common herb used in the kitchen almost every day. Can you guess? It's the cilantro or coriander herb. I hope you guessed it right. It helps improve digestion, aids blood sugar levels, and as it contains essential oils, it is useful in skin care. Coriander leaves are rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, and vitamin C. You can use this herb in salads, soups, curries, marinades, and dipping sauces or chutney. Mint leaves or pudina help to relieve indigestion, heartburn, and chest congestion. They are useful in soothing the skin, treating nausea as well as bad breath. Its aroma helps in relaxing the mind and is useful in aromatherapy. You can make mint tea, use mint leaves for garnishes, dipping sauces, yogurt, smoothies, fresh juices, and salads. Parsley is a herb rich in vitamin A, C, and vitamin K, as well as in antioxidants that lower the risk of diseases. It improves digestion, promotes bone health, and reduces spasms. Fresh parsley can be easily incorporated in your diet by making it a part of salads, soups, marinades, pasta, and sauces. Basil is a flavorful herb with many varieties. A few varieties of basil are sweet basil, popular basil commonly used for cooking. Greek basil has a mild flavor with small leaves. Cinnamon basil has a cinnamon-like flavor. Holy basil or tulsi is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine. Basil has essential oils, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Holy basil or tulsi is used in treating cold, bronchitis, gastric problems such as nausea and indigestion, asthma, and anxiety as well. Here is a herb with feathery leaves. Can you guess it? Did you guess it's dill? If yes, you're right. Dill leaves and stem are used to make stir-fried dishes with vegetables such as potato, also used in salads, soups, stews, and can be cooked with lentils or dal. It helps to manage and prevent digestive problems, promotes lactation, prevents bad breath, prevents cramps, and it has anti-inflammatory property that reduces pain. Brahmi is a herb that is a good source of dietary fiber. It is commonly used as a memory enhancer. Brahmi has cooling property that helps calm the mind and promote sound sleep. It has antioxidants that help us stay healthy. It also regulates blood sugar levels, prevents hair fall, and is useful in treating dry scalp. Brahmi can be incorporated in the diet by making chutney or dip sauces, adding into salads, or baked fritters. Rosemary is a herb that imparts great flavor and aroma in culinary dishes. Did you know that rosemary is a good source of vitamin B6, calcium, and iron? It is a rich source of antioxidants and anti inflammatory compounds that boost the immune system. Rosemary is often used for indigestion, loss of appetite, relieving stress, treating dandruff, and dry scalp. You may have noticed that some herbs are sold as supplements. Unless your doctor recommends, it is not a safe option to take supplements. Cooking with culinary herbs and using them in moderation is a good and natural way to boost your immunity and improve your health. Remember, anything consumed excessively can do more harm than good. So, variety and controlled quantity is the key to enjoy the benefits of food ingredients without side effects. Thank you for watching.